Hello everyone, Coach Jimmy here with Sedona Pro PMF. I want to show you today the Sedona pillow and the effectiveness and exactly how deep this 8.5 pound pure wave Tesla coil will permeate through the body, okay? Now I want to show you the brain primarily because that's our main switchboard. It controls everything, so you really want to have good PMF therapy whenever you're either laying on the pillow or you have it up next to your skull or behind your neck. So right here I've got the pillow placed to the side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this PMF meter, and you can see here how about a foot away from it it's picking up the magnetic wave. Now whenever I come and bring it here to the side of my head, if I come here and I bring it in close, you can see where the meter is pegged to the max now. What it's doing is it's going through my head and it's picking up that PMF wave in this tri-field meter. That's the effectiveness. It's not leaving any cell untouched going through your brain. Now the body is less dense, like whenever you're laying on it, using on your hip, your back, or your chest, you're still going to get that excellent saturation. So then again, I just want to bring these things, everything's visual today in life. A lot of you aren't able to go buy one of these meters, which is about $300, but I've got it to show it for you. So right here again, you can see how it's going through the skull. And if you use this pillow to treat certain areas like your hip, your neck, your back, your knee, your ankle, it's permeating through the bone to where it's getting all the way down deep through every single cell in the body. All right, so I just wanted to share that with you to give you a little bit more knowledge of exactly how effective this pillow is with your Sedona Pro PMF system. All right, take care. Bye-bye.